Welcome to the break of day. I'm Jay. Today we are going to start a new lesson. On this lesson, we are going to learn about numbers in English. Are you ready? Let's get a start. First, let's learn the basic numbers from 1 to 20. Look at the screen and repeat after me. This is number 1. O-N-E 1. This is number 2. T-W-O 2. This is number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. This is number 4. F-O-U-R 4. This is number 5. F-I-V-E. There are so many fishes here. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 6. S-I-X 6. How many fish are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 fish. This is number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Now let's count the fish. You also count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fish. This is number 8. E-I-G-H-T. Let's count them speedily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 fish. This is number 9. N-I-N-E. Okay guys, let's count fish. How many fishes are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 fish. This is number 10. T-E-N. Okay guys, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is number 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. Count the flowers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 flowers. This is number 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. Let's count the butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 butterflies. This is number 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. There are so many rabbits here. Let's count rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 rabbits here. This is number 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Can you see the monkeys here? Let's count them. Start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many monkeys are there? Yes, there are 14 monkeys here. Now you can see the number 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. And also you can see so many ants here. Can you count them? Yes, start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. How many ants are there? Yes, 15 ants here. There are 15 ants here. This is the number 16. SIXTEEN 16. Can you see the foxes here? How many foxes are there? If you can count with me. Okay? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many foxes here? Yes, there are 16 foxes here. Very good. Next one is number 17. SEVENTEEN 17. Now you can see the tigers here. Let's count them. Start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many tigers here? Yes, there are 17 tigers here. This is number 18. EIGHTEEN 18. Now you can see so many dogs here. Okay, count the dogs with me. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many dogs are there? There are 18 dogs here. This is number 19. NINETEEN 19. Now on this screen you can see so many cats here. Let's count them. Start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many cats are there? Yes, there are 19 cats here. The last one is number 20. TWENTY 20. On this screen you can see so many elephants here. Now let's count the elephants. Start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many elephants are there? Yes, there are 20 elephants here. Now let's learn some bigger numbers. We are going to look at the tens and hundreds. Let's review tens and hundreds. The tens are numbers like 10, 20, 30 and so on, all the way to 90. Each of these numbers represents certain number of tens. For example, 20 is 2 tens and 50 is 5 tens. Now for hundreds is the same concept, but with hundreds, 100 is 100, 200 is 200 and so on. Just like with the tens, every step in hundreds adds another 100 to the count. This understanding will help you in reading and writing large numbers confidently. Okay, guys, shall we practice this number? First one is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 11, 21, 32, 43, 54, 65, 76, 87, 98, 99. Okay, guys, now let's look some hundreds. First one is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 101, 210, 311, 412, 513, 615, 831, 942, 983. Now that we have covered the basics, let's look at some large numbers. When we talk about numbers in the thousands, millions, or even billions, the pattern remains the same. For example, the 100 is read as 100, 200 read as 200, 300 is read as 300. Similarly, 1000 is 1000, 2000 is 2000, and 10,000. As you can see, the words thousands and hundred follow the same rules, just with large amounts. Remember, once you understand the basics, you can easily handle bigger numbers by applying the same principles. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Break of Day for more fun and easy English lessons. See you next time. Bye bye.